volume mode, room mode, original mode, church. Oh, so I'm gonna use it on the original. Instrumental, if you have any instrument. Since we don't have instruments, so I'm not gonna touch it. This is the pitch. If you turn left, it's gonna make your voice lower.
And if you turn all the way to the right, it's gonna make your pitch higher.
As of right now, I'm using my funny voice.
I'm using my low voice right now on the pitch. And if you want auto tune, you're gonna have to press the auto tune right here.
Hello, hello, hello. Off.
Okay, so after you turn it off, you can turn your pitch back to high or low again. But when you turn on auto tune, it's not gonna make your voice high or low because it's on auto tune mode.
Bluetooth connected.
Bruh. Oh my God. Oh hell no. Denied. Oh.
I have no issues with this device. It's working great. I like how I can Bluetooth my device and then record these sounds through the phone through Bluetooth. It's very, very convenient for me. When I play games, I don't want anyone to know my real voice. I can just change the pitch, use these sound pad when I win or lose. I'm trying to be funny. I'm using it on the PS5 and the PC. It works great. I don't have any issue with it.